Today we are going to look at how to place a sell full trade order. This feature allows you to sell a cryptocurrency when the price is high and to buy it again later at a cheaper price. First, on the trade page, you choose the Sell tab, and then choose an entry price at which your asset should be sold, as well as the amount from your wallet to be sold at that price. Next, you can set your exits, the first of which being your targets. Your targets include trigger prices and the quantities from your order that you would like to have sold at those prices. Finally, you can set your stop loss exit, which includes the trigger price that your order will buy at, as well as the amount from your order that will be bought at that price. Then you can click Place Sell Full Trade and review the details once again before confirming your full trade order. At the bottom, you'll be able to follow the status and details of your order while it is being completed.